let's talk about API key. So an API key, it's like a pass. It will be code that we will use to identify yourself when you are doing some prompt and communicate with the AI server. And so this key proves who you are. What does it do? It grants an access. So it makes sure that only your software, so for instance, Zed can use your account. It also track usage. So this includes paid but also free tier accounts. When you can use an AI for free, there will be a maximum of requests and other parameters, and so the API key allows the AI provider to track your usage. And last but not least, the key is used along an encrypted tunnel, which use HTTPS, so that all your communication is not the prompt you send, your data is not stolen along the way. And so last but not least, don't give your API key to anyone, it's private.